Hello everyone. Come on, let's visit Baclaran Church here in Parañaque, Manila, Philippines. This is Baclaran Church. We call that Redemptorist Church. Ito po ang kabuuhan ng kanyang simbahan, mga kaibigan. At tayo po ay mamamasyal, gagala. I'm going to tell you that in this place in Baclaran, you can buy a lot of very, very cheap products. Many kinds of products of the Philippines. Assorted products. This place, you can buy a lot of goods at very reasonable price and you can even bargain it. But before we go to the commercial area, we have to drop by first here at the Church of Redemptorist Church, of course. You know, this place is very popular to all Filipino people. Many kinds of people, assorted people, all walks of life are here, especially during first Wednesday of the month and every Wednesday of the week. There's a lot of people here attending the Novena Mass and so many people, you know, and then it's hard for you even to pass by in this street because there were so many people here attending the Novena Mass in Baclaran here in Parañaque, Manila, Philippines, mga kaibigan. Then afterwards, after your prayer, after your novena, you can go shopping all around Parañaque because in Baclaran because you can buy a lot of goods. So this is the inside of the Redemptorist Church. We have to take a look and of course we need to pray. Look at that, it's almost empty because it's not Wednesday. It's an ordinary day. But during Wednesday and the first Wednesday of the month, my God, so many people inside. It's hard for you to get inside because it's crowded, so many people. So there were so many devotees of Our Lady of Perpetual Help. That's how Filipino very religious. I think we're number 3 or number 4 of a very religious country in the world. So this is it. This is the inside of a Redemptorist Church. And you know, during novena days, during Wednesday, even ordinary Wednesday, it's hard for you to sit down because there's a lot of people. So what you're going to do is just stand up to the end of the Mass for almost an hour. So this is it, my friend. This is the inside of the Redemptorist Church. It's very nice, beautiful to look at, and then the Mass here are very solemn, my friend. And so this is the inside, the front view, the inside of the front view of Redemptorist Church. Ayan po mga kaibigan, ayan makikita natin ang altar. Ayun po ang altar sa dulo. Napakalaki po nitong simbahan na ito mga kaibigan. Napakalawak at ngayon po medyo maluwag dahil ordinary days, pero pag araw ng Miyerkules o kaya araw ng unang Miyerkules ng buwan, hindi po kayo makakaupo, mahihirapan kayong pumasok dahil napakarami ng tao, dikit-dikit po ang mga tao dito mga kaibigan. Ganong ka ano ba ang tawag dito? Ganon ang mga Pilipino ka loyal sa kanilang devotees, sa kanilang deboto sa mahal na birhen ng Our Lady of Perpetual Help. So ito po yung sa labas. At ngayon naman po, ito na. Nakatapos na tayo magsimba. Punta na tayo dito sa mga pamilihan, mga kaibigan. If you are looking for a very cheap price, very reasonable price, you can even bargain it. Come to Baclaran, Parañaque. It's you can see a lot of bargain items from t-shirt to shorts to pants to bags, jewelries, cell phone, so many things. A lot of fruits. Look at that. You can even of your 180 pesos. Can you imagine? 180 pesos, 4 pieces of short, you can already have 4 pieces of short of your 100 pesos and 100 pesos, 180 pesos, you can have already 4 pants, short pants. Can you imagine? Very cheap. So it's a short pant cost only 45 pesos each. See, very cheap, my friend. So if you're looking for a bargain products, come to Baclaran, Parañaque. Instead of going inside to the department store, which is very expensive, and then in the department store, you can't bargain. Unlike here in Baclaran, you can bargain it. Like for example, if the product, a t-shirt costs 100 pesos, you can ask for a lower price, such as 90 pesos, or you can bargain it to 80 pesos. Napakamura po, mga kaibigan. So, if you're balikbayan, come to Parañaque, Baclaran. You can buy a lot of good products and brought it to your country wherever you came from as pasalubong to your friends. So dito po talagang samot-sari ang ating makikita ng mga paninda, mga kaibigan. May mga fruits, may mga vegetable, may mga chinilas, may mga payong, may mga kitchenwares, mga samot-sari, mga curtains, mga tropilos, mga socks, medyas, eyeglass, sunglasses. Napakarami ng pagpipilian nyo, at kung kayo na may nagugutom, marami pong panindang pagkain sa tabi-tabi, mga kaibigan, which is also very cheap, very reasonable price. Instead of going inside to the restaurant, you can eat it here at the side of the road here in Baclaran, Parañaque, Manila, Philippines. The only advantage in department store, it's an air condition. Of course here, because this is an outdoor commercial area, it's a little bit hot, especially during summertime. It's hard also if it keeps on raining, kaya mababasa ka talaga sa ulan. Pero nakakamura ka naman, napakaraming mura mga bilihin dito, mga kaibigan. Ako nga, nagdala ako ng 1,000. Napakarami nang nabili ko, mga kaibigan. Nakabili ako ng towel, nakabili ako ng short, t-shirt, pants, socks, assorted accessories, slipper. Ayun po, mga kaibigan, no? Napakarami po, samot-sari ang pagpipilian, mga school supply. Ang dami po dito mabibili, mga kaibigan. At medyo nag-mute lang ako dahil samot-sari ang yung maririnig ng mga music dito, makaka-copyright po tayo. At the same time, napakaingay. So, I mute the sound para maging peaceful lang, so that there will be no copyrights, because you can hear a lot of music. So, if you will not mute it, you will be copyrighted, my friends. So, it's better to mute it. Look at that. There's a lot of bags. If you are going to travel around the world, travel to the province, you can buy here lots of bags, many kinds of bags. And this one is the overpass. Going to Baclaran from Pasay Rotonda. This is going to the MRT station, to the train. If you're going to Makati, or you're going to Quezon City, or you're going to Manila, you can ride on an LRT and MRT. So MRT is going to Cubao or Monumento, and LRT is going to Manila and also Monumento. There's a lot of transportation here, my friends. There's bus, train, pedicabs, jeepneys, many kinds of transportation. So it will not be hard for you to travel, my friends, because it's very easy. The access is very easy, and then yun lang, lakad ka ng lakad. So kailangan matibay ang iyong paa pagdating sa lakaran, dahil talaga na up and down. You will go downstairs, you will go upstairs. It depends kung saan mo gustong pumunta. So ayan po, mga pumipila papunta yan sa MRT, mga sasakay papuntang Cubao. So tingnan nyo, even here in the flyover, you can buy a lot of bargain items. Look at that. There's slipper, bags, sunglasses, watches, many kinds of products, my friend. So this is just the beginning, going to Baclaran, Parañaque, my friends. Over at the end of this area, we can see a lot of products. Besides the street, you can see a lot of people yelling, "Uy, bili na kayo, mura-mura lang mga paninda rito, mura lang. Lahat ng klase, 50 pesos lang po bawat isa, mga kaibigan. Pili na. So this is the end of this what's this? Flyover stairway going to the department store. At the end of this is a department store. So we're passing by through this. Look at that. And underneath the LRT, you can see a lot of products, a lot of people selling there. But during Wednesday or first Wednesday of the month, there's a lot of people. It seems there's a town fiesta because so many people are walking, going around, shopping. Because this place, this Baclaran, is second to the Visoria. If you're looking for more cheaper than Baclaran in Parañaque, you can go to the Visoria in Manila. In the Visoria, there's a lot of also products and very cheap, very reasonable. But this Baclaran area is already very cheap. But if you are looking for more cheaper products, you can go to the Visoria. One time, we will go to the Visoria. Pupunta po tayo, iikutin natin ang Divisoria mga kaibigan para makita nyo. So, ito po ang inside of the shopping mall. Here, you can buy wholesale. More cheaper if you will buy, halimbawa, bili ka ng 1 dozen of shorts, 1 dozen of briefs, underwear, 1 dozen of slipper. It's more cheaper than buying by piece. So in this area, you can buy a wholesale price. There's a lot of wholesale price, assorted products. Napakarami po mga kaibigan. Napakarami ng inyong mapagpipilian at talaga namang hindi kayo mahihirapan. Napakalawak po nito mga kaibigan. Napakalaki nitong outdoor commercial area dito sa Parañaque, sa Manila, Philippines, Baclaran. Samut-sari po ang kanilang mga paninda. Sumakit ng ampa ako sa kakaikot dahil akyat baba sa mga flyover, tapos bababa, tapos aakyat, tapos ikot ng ikot, lakad ng lakad. Ayun, makikita mo kaliwat kanan mga paninda. It's a very big outdoor commercial area, my friends. So if you are looking for a very cheap, very reasonable products, why don't you visit Baclaran, Parañaque, Manila, Philippines? You can bargain a lot of clothes, many kinds of clothes, from t-shirt to pants to shorts to underwear to socks and etc. Napakarami po mga kaibigan. And you will not be bored because there's a lot of music, there's a lot of people playing at the side. Look at that, there's even electric fan. So many products, my friend. Anywhere you look, there's a lot of products. There's a lot of people selling many kinds of products. Can you imagine 3 pairs of socks for only 50 pesos? Napakamura mga kaibigan. Ang dami mong mabibili dito mga pagkain. Kung nagugutom ka sa tabi-tabi lang mga kaibigan, mga kurtina, mga uniform, mga pangkasal for wedding, for the entourage, you can order it here. You can look for it. For school activities, uniform, you can buy it here, my friends. So many things to select. Look at that, napakarami. May mga samot-sari mga damit, mga ready to wear, may mga gown. Kung ikaw naman ay sasali sa Miss Philippines, meron din dito mga gown. Ayun, ang dami Napakaraming mabibili mga kaibigan. Samot-sari. At saka dito sa kaliwa, punta ka lang, isang hilera po yan, puro prutas ang tinda. Meron din isang hilera dyan, puro halaman naman. One street, they were all selling plants. One street, they were all selling fruits. So many kinds of fruits, so many kinds of plants. And then this area, because it's underneath the LRT, I think this LRT is the newly constructed LRT station going to Sapote, I think, or going to Cavite. Good, it's done already. Look at that. There's an even mango. Is it mango? Yeah. So many products, oranges, apple, grapes. Oh, look at that, my friends. There's a lot of fruits. This one is lansones, rambutan. Oh, mais. Napakarami mga kaibigan. Kaya you will not feel hungry in this area because you can buy a lot of food, a lot of clothes, a lot of goods. Many kinds of products, my friend. Ako nga, sumasakit na. I'm feeling tired already because this is a wide commercial area, outdoor commercial area. So, you should be energetic if you want to come here. There's a lot of cooked peanuts, hot peanuts. Wow, ang sarap niyan. Yung nilagang mani, my favorite. Oh, see, this is the outside. This is the Rojas Boulevard, I think, yeah. We call this Rojas Boulevard. The other side is going to MOA. This is it. So there you are. So many Philippine products, my friend. You can select a lot. Oh, there you are. Yeah, this is Rojas Boulevard. Going to Manila. So as I have told you before, if you are looking for more cheaper items, you can go to Divisoria. That's the cheapest place here in the Philippines, Divisoria. The only problem is there's a lot of people there, so you have to be very careful of your things, your wallet, and everything, your jewelry. You're not supposed to wear any jewelry because sometimes there's a snatcher or what we call this, mandorokot. We call that mandorokot in the Philippines. So ingat-ingat sa mga gamit. You're not supposed to be tatanga-tanga or else mawawalan ka ng mga gamit mo. Kasi mahirap yan. Maraming tao dikit-dikit, so you don't know who get it. So ayan po mga kaibigan. OMG, I'm so tired already. I feel so tired. I'm perspiring now. Pinagpapawisan na po ako mga kaibigan kasi napakainit din. Kasi ang weather namin today here in the Philippines nowadays we have two weather. Sometimes it's summer, sometimes it's rainy season. It's because of the we call that, is it El Nino? Yeah, is it El Nino? Yeah. We are experiencing El Nino nowadays. So ito, umakyat na naman ako dito sa taas. Mag-relax ng konti kasi nakakapagod talaga mga kaibigan at tanaw-tanawin sa baba. Kahit dito pa lang marami nagtitinda, kaya lang yung iba pinagbabawalan, sinisita ng mga gwardiya kasi bawal, kasi masikip nga naman sa daan. So ayan, pupunta po tayo doon sa area na yan, bababa na naman tayo at titingin-tingin tayo ng mga paninda kung ano pa, samot-sari mga kaibigan. So yun nga lang nakakapagod because we're not using an escalator or elevator. It's a stairway. You are going to walk, going up, going down. Kaya so tiring my friend. Kaya kailangan matibay ang yung mga paa. You must be energetic when you want to come here to Parañaque, Baclaran, Parañaque. But satisfied ka naman kasi napakamura po ng mga bilihin. So this is the going to EDSA. Yeah, going to EDSA. And then the other side is going to Rojas Boulevard. So look at that. Very cheap, 35 pesos only for, what's that? Sunglasses? Wow, very cheap. Can you imagine? 35 pesos, you can have already your sunglasses. 50 pesos, 150 pesos, or 100. It depends the brand of sunglass. Because even me, I buy here sunglass for 200 pesos. I buy 4 pieces, 200 pesos of sunglasses. I think it's made in China. China. The cheapest product in the world. China, made in China. But the problem is sometimes it will take only for how many months, weeks, days? No more. You will buy another one. Because of course it's not original. Mostly imitations. Alam nyo na, pag China, kwang. So there you are. Oh, napakalawak. Dito na po ako sa baba sa ilalim ng LRT. Ayan, itong mga area na to sa bandang taas, kung gusto mong bumili ng per dozen, napakamura po dyan. Mura ang per dozen nila. Halimbawa ng medyas, you want to buy more cheaper, buy a dozen of socks, a dozen of underwear, a dozen of t-shirt, because you can save a lot of money instead of buying by piece. Ayan po mga bag. Kung you want to travel somewhere around the world, you can buy bargain bags here. You can even bargain the price. Sometimes it costs 700, you can ask 600 or 500. It depends. Anyway, they will not get mad on you. Just ask them, can we bargain? Lower the price, please. You have to be wise, you have to be intelligent, you must know how to buy. Kasi kung aanga-anga ka, lulukuhin ka rin nila. Kaya pag mga ganyan, halimbawa ang presyo 800, tawaran mo ng 500. Yun nga lang tatawagin kang barat, pero it's okay, wala namang problema. O so what? Lahat naman ng tao nangihingi ng tawad. We call that tawad muna. patawad, or we call that discount. We want discount. We want to bargain. So there you are, my friend. Oh, this area, there's a lot of Muslim selling electric fan. Oh, talagang uso na yung electric fan na walang takip, ha. Electric fan with no cover, just the blade. Well, anyway, it's made of plastic, so it will not hurt you. So uso na siguro, made in China din yan, mga nagtitinda, mga Muslim dito, mga kaibigan, oh, sa ibaba. Maluwag nga ngayon dahil ordinary days, pero kung araw ng weekend, araw ng Wednesday, Diyos ko po, ang daming tao dito, kaya mag-iingat ka dahil marami mga kawatan din dito, marami snatcher, kaya wag ka dapat aanga-anga. So ayan po, mga kaibigan, ang mga commercial area dito, outdoor commercial area sa Baclaran, Parañaque, na kung saan makakabili ka ng mga mura na samot-sari mga produkto, magmula sa chinilas, sa mga media, sa mga salamin, sa mga bag, sa mga damit, sa mga gamit sa bahay, samot-sari, mga kaibigan, marami kang mabibili. Kaya iminot ko na lang para tahimik dahil maingay po, maraming music, maraming mga nagsasalita, maraming tumutugtog, iba ka makapiright po tayo, kaya pinatahimik ko na lang, muted na lang po dahil napakaingay po. Dami mga nagtutugtugan, mga nagsasalita, maraming nagsasabi, ay, bili na kayo, pasok na kayo dito. Marami kayo mapagpipilian, mga mura lang, mga kaibigan, mga misis, mga miss, mga lahat ng walks of life, pasok kayo dito. Tingnan nyo, napakarami mga prutas. Yun ang maririnig nyo. And they're using microphone, ha, kaya maingay, masakit sa tinga. Kaya muted ko na lang po. Ang mura ng kanilang rambutan dito, ha. Ano din nakalagay? 10 pesos, 1/4, 40 pesos per kilo for rambutan. And then 25 pesos, 20 pesos for lanzones, 1/4, so 80 pesos per kilo. Because this is a season of rambutan. What's the English of rambutan? And season of lanzones, because it's already bare. Look at that. Oh, there's a lot of products. There's short, t-shirt, so many jewelry, accessories. You know that accessory, it costs only 50 pesos each, sometimes 3 for 100. Napakamura po, mga kaibigan, makakamura ka talaga. Pwede mo pang tawaran, pwede ka pang mambargain, mambarat. Sabi nga, we call that here in the Philippines, mambarat. Let's make barat, o kaya let's have a discount, let's ask for a discount. Mambarat, tawad, mambarat, discount. Tawad, ang barat is man-discount, asking discount, bargain to the product. So kung nauuhaw ka, ayan, dami mga inumin, lansunes, ang dami. Ayan, mga chicharon, mga kaibigan, pampa-high blood. So ang daming tao pa rin namimili kahit na ordinary days. Ayan, mga kaibigan, ang dami, may mga laruan, there's so many toys. Look at that, wallet. Wallet po, only 30 pesos each, very cheap. Murang-mura, mga kaibigan. So ito po ang nasa gilid na ng Redemptorist. Nakakapagod na. Katatapos ko lang magmerienda, nakakita po ako ng may nagluluto ng bibingka, ang sarap, tapos isang palamig. Solved na po. Meron din mga lugaw, rice soup, lugaw, masarap po, mainit-init pa, may tukwat baboy, ang sarap, ang dami po mapagpipilian ng mga pagkain dito sa tabi-tabi, mga kaibigan. Makakatipid ka pa. Ito, mga kutsilyo, ito naman mga payong ang tinitinda. There's a lot of vendors walking, just standing, kasi sometimes sinuhuli sila, bawal. Ang dami mga payong, ang dami mga nagtitinda ng payong kasi it's a rainy day, sometimes it's summertime, napakainit. Ayan, mga short, murang-mura lang yan kasi ang dami kong nabili mga short. Napakamura, mga kaibigan. Short cost only 35 pesos, boxer short each, because I buy by dozen, so I can save a lot of money. Short cost only 40 pesos to 50 pesos each. Napakamura, mga kaibigan. So ayan po, ang dami mong mabibili. May mga headbands, may mga pillowcase, mga curtains, mga unan. Napakarami pong pagpipilian, mga kaibigan. Kaya kung kayo'y naghahanap ng mura, nais nyo makatipid, tara na sa Baclaran. commercial area. Ayun o, t-shirt o. 2 pirasong t-shirt o. 180 pesos. O, di ang mura, 90 pesos lang bawat isa. Pero kung bibili ka niyan by dozen, papasok lang yan sa mga 60 or 70 each. Kung bibili ka ng by dozens. Or kung hindi mo naman kaya ang by dozens, half dozens. Ay, grabe mga kaibigan, nakakapagod. Hal-hal na mi. Hal-hal means pagod na. Grabe mga kaibigan, nakakapagod mag-ikot dito kasi napakainit ang weather natin. Kakaiba, hindi maintindihan kung tag-ulan o tag-araw. Hindi natin malaman. Kaya talaga naman magbaon ka ng damit para o kaya magbaon ka ng pampunas dahil napakainit mga kaibigan. Buti na nga lang may ilalim ng LRT kahit paano may lilim. So ayan po ang ilalim ng LRT. Ang dami na rin nagtitinda. Samot-sari po mga kaibigan ang inyong mapagpipilian dito sa Baclaran. Kaya kung kayo'y nais makatipid, pumunta lang po dito sa Parañaque. Kung gusto niya po mas mura, pumunta kayo ng Divisoria. One time pupuntahan natin Divisoria. Ikutin natin yan mga kaibigan. So ayan po, ang daming mga paninda mga kaibigan. Samot-sari mga relo. 100 pesos ang bawat isang glasses. Mga cups, mga sombrero. Ang mumura mga kaibigan, ano naman to? 1 red glass, 100 pesos. Tempered glass, 100 pesos. Sa cellphone. Kung gusto niyo magpalagay ng tempered glass sa cellphone, 100 pesos. Wow, naglaway na naman ako. Nakakita ang mangga. Sarap. Yun, mga damit ang mumura, di po ba? 2 pieces for 180. Ayan, short 4 na piraso, 180 lang. Ang gaganda nung short 45 pesos lang lumalabas. O di po ba napakamura mga kaibigan? 4 na piraso for 180. Samantala pag sa department store, ang 180 mo kulang pa sa isang short. Punta na sa Baclaran mga kaibigan. Marami kang mapagpipilian. Murang-mura. Yun nga lang mainit. Magbaon ka ng pampunas dahil papawisan ka talaga. Pero matutuwa ka naman dahil murang-mura pwede mo pantawaran. Dami mong mabibili. Ayan, mga sombrero, dami mga bags, mga hangers. Napakamura po dito niyan. Mga school supply, mga kitchenwares. Tingnan nyo po mga kaibigan. Mga underwears. Samot-sari, mga ready-to-wear clothes. Pang kotilyon, pang kasal. Meron po dito, kompleto po mga kaibigan. Samot-sari, pwede rin kayo mag-order. At kung nagugutom, marami po sa tabi-tabi. May mga nagtitinda ng litson, may bibingka, may mga inumin, may mga lugaw, may mga tukwat baboy. So ano pang hanapin nyo? Nakamura ka na, nakatipid ka na, satisfied pa ang iyong mata dahil talaga naman napakadami ng iyong pagpipilian. Yun nga lang, papawisan ka dahil hindi aircon. So magbaon ka na lang ng electric pa na portable. Kaya kung nais mo makamura, nais mo makatipid, dito po sa Baclaran. Parañaque, Manila, Philippines. If you want to buy a very reasonable price of products, many kinds of products, assorted products, from clothes to sleeper, just come to Manila, Philippines here in Baclaran. Very cheap. And if you want to have a more cheaper place, go to Divisoria in Manila, Philippines. So this is it, my friend. Thank you for watching. Again, thank you. Hanggang sa muli, mga kaibigan. Dahil ako'y napagod na, mga kaibigan. Ayan na yung eroplano, yung sundo kong eroplano. Papatid na ako sa amin. Napagod na po ako, sumakit na po ang aking paa. Sa kakaikot na talaga naman nakakapagod. Pero satisfied naman ako dahil ang 1,000 ko, ang dami kong nabili mga kaibigan. May mga damit, may prutas, may chinilas, may accessories. Nakapagmerienda pa ako sa halagang 1,000 lang yan. So ano pang hanapin mo mga kaibigan? Tara na, ayun Ang daming pagkain sa tabi-tabi, may buko. May mga prutas, may suman, may suha. Ay nako, hindi ka mahihirapan dahil andyan na, nasa tabi mo lang. So again mga kaibigan, yan may ice cream pa mga kaibigan. Wow, tiling. Wow, mamang sorbetero. Ayun may tugtog, kaya minute ko dahil may mga nagtutugtugan, tapos may nagbibigay ng pera dyan sa mga nagtutugtog. Kung gusto mong mag-donate. So muli mga kaibigan, thank you for watching. Until my next vlog, we'll go to Divisoria, okay? Remember, Baclaran, Parañaque, Manila, Philippines, where you can find reasonable price of assorted products.